In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter retail sales in Xero. The first thing you'll need to do is create a bank account specifically for your cash sales. Even if this account isn't linked to a real bank, it provides a simple way to categorize cash payments within Xero and helps keep your records organized. When creating the account, choose a clear and recognizable name. Something like cash sales or cash transactions works well because it makes the account easy to identify whenever you need to review your cash sales later. Once you've created that account, you're ready to start entering your retail sales. Go to the top right corner of your Xero dashboard and click the plus icon. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Receive Money. This opens the screen where you'll enter the details of your cash transaction. The first thing you'll need to do is choose the correct account. Select the cash bank account you created specifically for your cash sales. This makes sure all cash payments are recorded in the correct place and keeps your bookkeeping organized. After selecting the account, begin entering the details of the sale. Add the relevant information for the transaction, including the item that was sold and the customer who made the purchase. Take a moment to review everything you've entered before moving on. Making sure the details are correct helps keep your accounting records accurate. Once you've confirmed that all the information is correct, click the Save button. Your retail sales transaction will then be recorded in Xero using your cash sales account. Following this process each time you receive a cash sale helps keep your transactions organized and makes it easier to review your records later. Recording your sales consistently also helps maintain accurate financial information for reporting and future account reconciliation. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.